Solana price right now is $110.38, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.69 billion, market cap of $36.17 billion, and market dominance of 1.79%. The SOL price decreased -0.46% in the last 24 hours. Solana reached its highest price on November 6, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $259.52. The lowest price since its ADH was $76.05 cycle low. The highest SOL price since the last cycle low was $142.67 cycle high. The Solana price prediction sentiment is currently bearish. Solana's current circulating supply is 327.65 MSOL, out of max supply of 500.00 MSOL. In terms of market cap, Solana is currently ranked 1 in the proof-of-stake sector and ranked 2 in the Solana Network sector. According to our current Solana price prediction, the value of Solana will drop by -8.14% and reach $101.85 by April 15, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the fear and greed index is showing fear. Solana recorded 67% green days with 17.28% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Solana forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Solana. Based on today's classical pivot point, with the value of $112.99, Solana has support levels of $112.99, $112.99, and the strongest at $112.99. Similarly, Solana resistance levels are at $112.99, $112.99, and $112.99. To get a better idea of what could happen to the Solana price in the future, it's helpful to also explore Solana's price history. In the last month, the SOL-USD pair is up 32.54%. The one-year performance of SOL-USD is 337.63%. The price of Solana in the IEO was 22 cents, and the token sale ended on March 24, 2020. Since then, SOL price increased 501.97x against US dollar, increased 20.77x against Ethereum, and increased 76.65x against Bitcoin. In detail, megaphone setups consist of a minimum of lower lows and 2 higher highs forming during a period of high market volatility. But, generally, these patterns consist of 5 consecutive swings, with the final one typically acting as a breakout signal. SOL has been sketching a similar pattern since the beginning of 2022, with the coin undergoing a pullback after testing the megaphone's upper trend line near $140 as resistance, the fourth win. As a result of the pattern, the Solana token could extend its decline to test the megaphone's lower trend line as support near $65, about 35% below today's price. If this scenario plays out, SOL could crash further after forming the fifth swing on its prevailing megaphone structure. While finding a perfect downside target in case of a breakout is tricky, traders typically select it by measuring the distance between the 2 trend lines from the point the lower one breaks, and book profits when the price reaches 50-60% of that distance. A bearish breakout risks putting SOL's price en route to nearly $40 in the coming weeks.